beef flakes. Yummy, yum yum. Heating the pan. This is the Saladmaster 10-inch gourmet pan. Ang dami nagagawin dito mga besh. Pero right now, we are preheating it for 5 minutes over a medium fire. Tapos, naglagay po ako ng a little bit of olive oil lang just to cover and grease the pan. Next is we're going to mince the garlic. Smells so good. This is so good for our body. Ito po ay rich in antioxidant. It's one of my favorite. As you can see, hindi natin masyado siya nilagyan ng oil. Sa Saladmaster, matipid. You don't need a lot of oil. Kahit kaunti lang, just to coat the pan. Hindi naman ho magdidikit. Niluluto natin. Isn't that amazing, mga beshi? Next step is we're going to add the vegetables na. Let's start to roast the vegetables. Smells so good. So we added up our asparagus, broccoli, and carrots. Yummy! This is a perfect replacement for rice. So as for now, mag-steak kami. Ito yung kapartner niya, tsaka mashed potato. And then, yung cherry tomatoes din. Wow! Isn't that colorful? And so nutritious. Naaamoy ko na mga besh. If you're going to feed this kind of food sa inyong family, I'm sure they're going to be healthy. This is our mission, sharing the healthy cooking just by using our Saladmaster. Perfect, diba? Don't forget to season it with salt, pepper. Mas magarlic ako, kaya I'm going to put some garlic powder. Let's cover this for 5 minutes using our 11-inch deep dish skillet cover and wait for it for 5 to 7 minutes at luto na ito mga besh. Utang natin to, add pala natin yung mga cherry tomatoes. Sorry for that. I-add nyo na rin po yung cherry tomatoes. It's a good source of lycopene. Again, you don't need an oven. Just cover it if you want to bake the roasted vegetables. Alright, after 7 minutes, ayan mga besh, luto na ang ating roasted vegetables. Perfect na side dish natin to for steaks, barbecue ribs, pwede rin po siya sa salmon, steak fish, pwede rin sa fried chicken natin na greaseless. Wow! Kain na po tayo. So guys, ganyan lang kabilis ang pagluluto sa Saladmaster. What can you say? Diba amazing? So again, if you like this video and enjoy it, just press the like button and share the video and not the virus. Thank you again, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is the Amazing LutuAN. Thank you and God bless everyone. Let's ciao. Bye. Alright. It's already 15 minutes na. After 5 minutes preheating, ilalagay na natin ang ating steaks. Wow! So, here are our steaks. For na po natin sa ating electric skillet. Smells so good. So, I just seasoned the steaks with salt and pepper. Wait, I just set the electric skillet for about 15 minutes to 30 degrees Celsius. So approximately 7 minutes on each side. Alright, it's 7 minutes already. Let's flip the steak. Wow! Look at the fat. Ang dami niya kung sinikrit ng fats and oil. Let's flip the steak now. Smells so good. Yummy. Ooh. Sarap. Smells so good. This is how we cook steaks using our Saladmaster electric skillet. Isn't it amazing? Smells so good. And it's only 15 minutes. Malapit na po siya maluto. So, it's up to you if you want medium rare, medium well, or well done. Up to you guys. You can just set your timer using our electric skillet. Just leave it and then it will cook. After you flip it, you just leave it. And then the electric skillet will just turn off itself. That's how great our Saladmaster Cookware is. Very convenient. Right, Jackie? Right. So, thank you for watching again, Amazing LutuAN channel. Bango. Yeah. Sarap kumain together with our roasted vegetables. Please like and share the video and not the virus, and subscribe to our Amazing LutuAN channel. Thank you again and God bless everyone. Let's eat. Happy, healthy cooking and eating. Bye! Guys, I have another style. Gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo na pwede natin ilagay ang ating stir-fried vegetables dun sa steak. I still have 2 minutes. So, kung gusto nyo ilagay dyan, yan na po yan. Magiging serving dish na rin natin siya. Right. Yummy. 2 minutes left. Kakain na po tayo. Perfectly cooked po yung ating steak. Yummy. Happy, healthy eating po. No need to go to any restaurant. You can just create your own dishes. Tayo pa restaurant. No need for oil, no need for butter. Nakita nyo, nag-release pa ng oil yung sariling meat natin. This is yung steak. Isn't it amazing? Sizzling. Yummy. Yum, yum.